Hey, this is Max with beachlifeincome.com, and today we're going to continue our discussion on the overall plan. And we're on step number 4, but step number 1 was to find a niche, something that you love to do, something that you can write about, something that you can make videos about and social posts about, something that you're interested in and won't grow tired of. Then the second part was to create our accounts in affiliate networks, and we showed you a few affiliate networks, and that's very important. And one of the steps that you need to take is to get a website so that you can get into more affiliate networks. And of course, we have information of how to get that hosting account, how to set up your first site. It's very simple. And then the third step was to start generating content, blog post, and then videos and social media. And we said that we teach you more, and we will, in the course below, or the lessons below. So the next step is step 4, and that is to generate traffic. And there's two types of traffic. There's free traffic, which is called organic traffic, and then there's paid traffic. Organic traffic, free traffic is great. And so we're going to show you in this course how to get that free traffic. It doesn't necessarily come one day in one day. It's a steady process, but the more free traffic, the better. The second way is to get paid traffic. And I've done a lot of paid advertising to get traffic to my offers and so forth, but it's a little tricky, and it's not something for the beginner. You can lose a lot of money quickly trying to be an expert at paid traffic. So our course focuses mainly on how to get organic or free traffic. And so one of the best ways is through Google. And so we're going to help you try to rank in Google. So let me show you what I mean by that. In Google, if you were to type in something like best surf fishing reel, this is the results that you would get. And the first pictures are all ads. So someone's paying for that advertising. And then we go down a little further, and there's a review site, and that's the first website. So when I clicked on that link, this group of people, this outsideguru.com, received free organic traffic. Why? Because they were listed first in Google. That's the goal, to get high as you can in Google with as many pages as you can. And that's what our course helps you with. So that's one. And then there's also videos. So we try to get our videos ranked as high as possible in Google, not just in YouTube, but in Google as well. So these people will get plenty of views because of the organic search. And so that's another goal of this course, is to help you get there. Then there's another review site, and then some more advertising and some other websites and some suggested searches. So free traffic is very important. You don't want to have to keep paying out money to get people to come to your site. So that's the fourth step, getting traffic. And we'll talk a great deal about that. And we have many videos about how to get your pages ranked, as well as how to get your videos ranked in Google and the other search engines so that you can get free traffic. Next step, number 5.